What is up guys, welcome to a brand new video of Absolute Digital. In this video I will show you how you can get challenge sticker on Instagram. So let's start this video by launching the Instagram app. When the app is launched, you have to tap on your profile icon on top left corner. Or you can swipe right, it will open the camera. Now I'll just quickly take a picture. Then tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Now scroll down below and you will see challenge sticker here. And if you don't see that, tap on the search bar and type in challenge. And you should see the challenge sticker on your search results. Now to add the sticker to your story, all you have to do is tap on the sticker and it will be added to your story. And that is how you can get the challenge sticker on Instagram. So if you find this video helpful, then do drop a like and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. I will see you in the next one.